for the sake of this video, I deleted my app. You can see I have no app of screen record on my phone. So I will get to my Play Store right now. If you are using iOS, go for Apple Store, then go into my Apple Store. You search for multi-window split, or you can search multi-window screen depending. So I will search for multi-window screen. Then we have a lot of multiple windows. This one I'm showing you is for free. You can use it without subscribing any monthly dues or any monthly subscription or daily subscription. So this is the app which you download. Then I will click here. This is the app multiple window screen split. Then I have to download it. It will waste a little bit time. Then after the downloading, I will get into the app. You can see it's very fast. It just downloaded. Then we open the application. Then once the app is opened, it will show you this space. You understand, this head. You have to go by your left, cancel, click on cancel. Then here it will bring out your two window 1 and window 2. Then what you do, you don't have much to do, is to just go to this plus. This plus means add. Then you add, you search for anything you want to search. Let's say I'm searching for www.binary.com. Then you type go. You wait a little bit for it to upload. Then you go for the second one and also search www, depending on what you want to add on your screen. Search for www.binary.com. Click go. Then you see it will then upload. This is the first window. The second window just upload. The first window, we need to do it again. This is the binary.com. We search. You can see the two windows just upload right away. You can do your shift. When I say shift, you can shift screen to maybe half or a little bit, depending on what you want to upload on your screen, depending on the strategy you are using. Let's say you are using, maybe you want one to be binary.com and the other one to be binary analyzer. Then what you do is to just go and search LDP binary analyzer. You click cancel. LDP binary analyzer. Here it comes, it uploads. Then you click the first one. Here it comes. This for binary analyzer. This is the way it looks like. Let's say you want to shift your screen a little bit, you can shift. Then you can see your full screen. You understand? If you also want to upload your one screen, or depends on which one you want to upload, you can also upload. So this for your iOS. When I mean iOS, this for your iPhone. For those who are using iPhone, this is for it. So the next one will be for Android. All right, this illustration is for Android. All you need to do is to go to your Play Store, search for split screen. Just search for split screen. You go search. So we have a lot of app for split screen. The only app I'm recommending which can offer you free service for you to divide your screen and upload your two Chrome browser is only this app which the arrow is pointing right now, this one. Then the next thing you need to do is to download it. Downloading it, you need to install. We allow it to install a little bit to not waste time. Then after that, you wait a little bit. Here it goes. You need to open the app. Then once you open the app, it will bring you here to this interface. All you need to do is to first user disclaimer. After reading all of this, you agree. Then after reading your access this thing, you allow. Also click allow. So what next you need to do is to just search for the app, enable it, go back, this is the app. You enable the app. Then once you enable the app, you go back. That's the few settings you need to do. Then after that, you go to your multiple browser. Then here is your multiple browser. So after it will split your screen into two automatically. You don't need any other thing to just split your screen. Then what next you need to do is to search for your binary.com. Search for your binary.com. binary.com, sorry. Then upload the first window. Here it comes. You upload the first window. Then go to your second window, search for binary.com. This strategy, these tools is what we use on trading our high and low strategy and other strategy which these tools supports. So if you want me to like show you the hazard strategy which we use and the way you normally use to trade binary.com, this is like a hack. Understand? This is like a hack. Just all you need to do is to just subscribe right now. Just subscribe on this video so that turn up the notification bell so that this video can go viral and also help others, those that are struggling on how to make money online. So this is the screen. All you need to do is to just sign up. If you haven't signed up, if this is your first time, just create your free account, or you can use your Google account to sign up. If you have this, if this not your first time, just go log in on the second one. Then put your email, put your password for the email you used on uploading, you used on creating your binary.com account. Then also upload the same email here. Understand? Upload it and click login and click also login. If you sign up with your Google account, you also log in with your Google account. That's the way it works. Anything you did on the first window is also the thing you need to do on the second window. So stay tuned and also just focus on this tutorial that is coming up by next week. I'll be uploading a big super pro strategy which you guys gonna benefit a lot of it. Just click and subscribe on the notification bell. Peace up.